Hi guys, welcome back. In this section, we are going to learn about data definition language. Data definition language is a subsection of SQL which deals with the creation of database objects such as tables and views. So however, in this section, we are just going to be looking at tables. So by the end of this section, we are going to learn about a few concepts such as data types, primary and foreign keys. And then we are going to get onto learning how to create tables, how we can modify these tables in a database, how we can delete or remove tables from a database. And then finally, we'll learn how we can delete all data from a table. I'm going to be doing this by creating our first database. So we can create a database for a shop. It's going to be a simplified database. So we are just going to have three tables as such. We are going to have a product table which will contain all the data on our products that we sell in the shop. We are going to create customers table that will hold all the data for the customers for the shop, and then finally we'll create an order table which will contain all the data for the orders in that particular shop. And then in later section we are going to use this shop database to learn how to insert data and how to retrieve data from a table. So stay tuned and I'll connect with you in the next lesson. Thank you.